Hi everyone, my name is Tim Boles and welcome to my course Provisioning Virtual Machines in Oracle Cloud Compute. I am a senior manager at Hitachi Consulting. Did you know in a recent survey that it is predicted that 83% of the enterprise workloads will be in the cloud by 2020? Knowing how to work in the cloud is not a thing of the future, but a need here and now. In this course we're going to learn how to provision virtual machines in Oracle's cloud. Some of the major topics we'll cover include understanding the various options you have in the Oracle Cloud for virtual machines, creating a Windows virtual machine utilizing the Oracle Cloud Console, creating a Linux virtual machine using APIs. By the end of this course, you'll understand the choices that need to be made when creating an Oracle Compute Cloud virtual machine. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the concept of public cloud and infrastructure as a service platforms. It would also be helpful to have some general knowledge of networking. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into courses on Oracle Cloud for Developers, Introduction to Oracle DevOps on Oracle Cloud. I hope you'll join me in this journey to learn about creating virtual machines in the cloud with the Provisioning Virtual Machines on Oracle Compute Cloud course at Pluralsight.